morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
गुड मॉर्निंग। चलो तो शुरू करते हैं आज की क्लास फटाफट, क्योंकि मुझे और भी बहुत ज़्यादा काम है आज। कल की क्लास हो नहीं पाई थी, इसलिए अब आज की क्लास स्टार्ट करते हैं। कल का भी पता नहीं, शायद क्लास हो पाएगी कि नहीं। Okay, so in the last lecture, I have told you about the models of neuron. मैंने आपको एक वीडियो भी दिखाई है अबाउट द मॉडल्स। लास्ट लेक्चर मैंने आपको एक वीडियो दिखाई थी कि कैसे आर्टिफिशियल न्यूरल नेटवर्क काम करता है। उसके अंदर मैंने मॉडल्स ऑफ न्यूरॉन बताए थे दो। एमपी मॉडल, मैक्लोपेट्स मॉडल, and the second one was the perceptron model। ठीक है, दो मॉडल बताए थे मैंने आपको। एमपी मॉडल वेरी बेसिक, बेसिक मॉडल। देयर वाज नो फीडबैक, देयर वाज नो फीडबैक। ओके, वेट, बाहर जाओ, इधर जाके लगा लो, इधर लगा लो। So there was no feedback. So there was an improvement in the perceptron model by Rosenblatt. Uh, we have a desired output by which we compare our output desired output से हमारी जो output है that is compared in perceptron model. Uh, so the actual output is compared in the perceptron model, and what we found error, and with the help of this error weights are adjusted. So with the help of uh, perceptron model, we have to compare the output with the desired output, and if there is an error, so according to that error, weights are adjusted to calculate the desired output. So this was the perceptron model, which I told you in the last lecture. Uh, on the basis of this perceptron model, we have another model, the third model, that is
Good
the
morning.
good morning. Adeline model. This is the third model. The full form is adaptive. ADA means adaptive. LINE means linear. Adaptive linear model. Adeline model. Adaptive linear model. It was proposed by scientist Whitrow. Okay, so it was very similar to the Rosenblatt perceptron model. जैसा perceptron मॉडल कंपेयर कर रहा था डिजायर्ड आउटपुट को, ये मॉडल भी कंपेयर कर रहा है डिजायर्ड आउटपुट को. But the difference between the perceptron and Adeline model is that Adeline model, uh, the main difference between these two models is that the output in the Adeline model is linear. However, in perceptron model, the output was non-linear. Okay, so this is the basic difference. So if I make the model of Adeline, so perceptron और Adeline दोनों के दोनों सेम है. दोनों में डिफरेंस क्या है कि both have all the properties same. Only one difference is there, that Adeline model is linear and perceptron model is non-linear. So if I make the block diagram of Adeline model, so we have inputs A1, A2, AM and weights W1, W2, WM. We have the transfer function in which we have to sum the product of input and weights, and this is given in linear form to the output function. To the output function. This is known as एक्टिवेशन वैल्यू. ये सारी चीजें वही हैं जो लास्ट वाले लेक्चर के अंदर मैंने आपको बताई थी, जो पीपीटी थी. एक्टिवेशन वैल्यू. आई एम राइटिंग दिस बिकॉज राइटिंग करने से आपको ये और ज्यादा क्लियर हो जाएगा. सो वी गेट द आउटपुट सिग्नल. We get the output signal. So output signal is given by S is equal to Fx, which is a function of activation value. So if I write activation, this is the activation. This is the activation output signal. This is the output signal. So when we calculate the error, so error can be given by B minus S. So B is the desired output which we need, and S is the actual output which we got. So we adjust the weight, or the change in the weight change is given by N, which is learning rate parameter, multiply by error and the input. So this is the change in the weight. So the change in the weight updation rule minimizes with the help of mean squared error over the all the inputs. So we what we use to uh, calculate all the inputs, we uses the MSC, mean squared error, and that is why it is known as least mean square error learning law. It is also known as least mean square learning law. Okay, so this was the Adeline model. Okay, ये हमारा Adeline मॉडल है. वेरी सिंपल, कुछ भी नहीं है इसके अंदर. So next topic is topology. So this is the next topic, topology. So let us start this topic. The topologies of artificial neural net. Okay, so let us start. So what is the exact definition of topology of artificial neural network? So artificial neural networks are useful only when the processing units are organized in a suitable manner. Organized in a suitable manner. हाँ लिशा बोलो. ठीक है, और लगा लो. So these are organized in a suitable manner to accomplish a given pattern recognition task. तो आर्टिफिशियल न्यूरल नेटवर्क्स की जो प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट्स है वो तभी यूजफुल होंगी तब हम उनको एक सुटेबल मैनर पे एडजस्ट करेंगे, ताकि हमारी जो प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट है वो पैटर्न को रिकॉग्नाइज आसानी से कर ले, इजीली कर ले. So for that we need the topologies. So in this section we provide some basic structures which will assist in finding or evolving new architectures. सो दी अरेंजमेंट, यानी कि हमारी जो प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट्स हैं उनकी अरेंजमेंट काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है. उनकी कनेक्शंस, इनपुट आउटपुट, इन सब की अरेंजमेंट को एक टर्म दिया गया है, दैट इज नोन एज दी टोपोलॉजी. ओके, जस्ट अ मिनट. Okay, so this arrangement of processing units is known as topology. So the artificial neural networks are normally organized into the layers of processing unit, and the units of a layer are similar in the sense that they all have the same activation dynamics and output function. तो ये जो सारी डेफिनेशन है ये व्हेन वी मूव टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड these definitions will be more clear to you. Okay, so let us start with the first topology, which is known as in star and out star topology. सबसे पहली टोपोलॉजी को स्टार्ट करते हैं, इन स्टार एंड आउट स्टार टोपोलॉजी. सो जैसे कि नाम बता रहा है इन स्टार टोपोलॉजी, what we have one layer uh, which is termed as F1, and there is another layer, let us consider it as 1 and F2. There is another layer which is F2 and F1. F1 has, say, there are many processing units, 1, 2, so on, and M. 1 to M processing units है. F2 के अंदर भी 1, 2, so on, J, up to N processing units है. So by providing connections to the jth unit in the F2 layer, in star, नाम बता रहा है in star. So providing connections to the jth processing unit of the F2 layer from all the processing units of F1 layer is known as in star topology. So connections can be made either from the units of one layer to the another layer, interlayer connections, or among the units within the layer, intra-layer connections, or both interlayer and intra-layer connections. So these are known as the connections. So in connections को किस तरह से हमें अरेंज करना है उसके अकॉर्डिंग हमारी टोपोलॉजीज बनेगी. इंटर लेयर है, इंट्रा लेयर है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम टोपोलॉजी को नाम देंगे. So the connections across the layers and among the units within a layer can be organized either in a feed forward manner or in a feedback. So interlayer या intra-layer connections हैं या feedback है या feed forward manner है, तो इसके according we will decide the topology. तो first of all in this the same thing is considered. So first of all in star की हम बात करें, in star is a feedback sorry uh, is a feed forward network, not a feedback. So what is a feedback network? Feedback network, in the feedback network the same process unit may be visited more than once. We will talk about the feedback network topology, but first of all the feed forward network topology type is in star. So this is the in star topology. So this is the in star topology जो मैंने अभी आपको दिखाई है. On the similar pattern इन स्टार की तरह ही हमारी दूसरी टोपोलॉजी है जिसका नाम है आउट स्टार, which is also very similar to the in star topology. So what is there in outstar? So what is there in outstar topology? All the the jth processing unit of F2 layer will provide the input to all the processing units of F1 layer. This is known as outstar. अगर सारी प्रोसेस यूनिट्स F1 की J को इनपुट प्रोवाइड करेंगे तो वो इन स्टार है, और J यूनिट F1 लेयर की सारी प्रोसेस यूनिट को इनपुट देगी तो वो आउट स्टार है. सो दिस इज द basic difference between in star and out star topology. So this is written here in this PPT about the in star and the out star topology. Okay. So next is the hetero association network. Hetero association network. Hetero association के अंदर क्या है कि that is also known as group of out star and group of in star. तो यानी कि ग्रुप ऑफ आउट स्टार का मतलब है कि F2 लेयर के सारे प्रोसेस यूनिट will provide input to all the processing units of F1 layer. So this is known as group of outstar. So that is also known as hetero association network. So in case of an outstar during learning the weight, okay, we when all the connections from the units in F1 to F2 are made as in figure we obtain a hetero association network. So this is group of instar. ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टार के बजाय अगर हम इंस्टार की बात करें तो इंस्टार हमारा इस तरह से था कि सारी प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट F1 लेयर की प्रोवाइड कर रही थी इनपुट टू दी jth unit of F2 layer. Instead of providing the input to only single processing unit, if they will provide input to all the processing units, it is known as group of instar. And on the other hand, if the flow is from F2 to F1, यहाँ फ्लो F1 से F2 पे था. अगर हमारा फ्लो ऊपर से नीचे है from F2 to F1, then it is known as group of outstars. ओके, सो दिस टॉपिक इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आज तक कभी ऐसा नहीं हुआ है कि आपके एग्जाम में नहीं आया है. कई बार ये पूछा जाता है व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय हेटेरो एसोसिएशन नेटवर्क और व्हाट आर द टोपोलॉजीज. सो बोथ आर द सेम थिंग्स. आपको टोपोलॉजीज के बारे में बताना है. सो दीज आर द फोर टोपोलॉजीज जो मैंने आपको बताई: इनस्टार, आउटस्टार, ग्रुप ऑफ इनस्टार एंड द ग्रुप ऑफ आउटस्टार. Similarly, on these four topologies, there is one another topology that is also known as auto-associative memory, जहाँ सबसे पहले है बाई डायरेक्शनल एसोसिएटिव मेमोरी. यहाँ कोई भी डायरेक्शन नहीं है. देर इज नो डायरेक्शन. Like in this, there was a direction either from F1 to F2 or from F2 to F1, but now there is no direction. That is why it is known as bidirectional associative memory. When the flow is bidirectional in both the directions, we get a bidirectional associative memory where either of the layers can be used as input or output. So, what is there? That uh, first four were the feed forward. Now we are talking about the feedback topology. कई बार आपके एग्जाम में पूछा जाता है नेम एनी explain in detail any feed forward topologies or explain in detail any feedback topologies. So these instar outstar group of instar group of outstar are the feed forward, and these two are the feedback topologies. So first one is the bidirectional associative memory and auto associative memory. If the two layers F1 and F2 coincide and the weights are symmetric, then we obtain an auto associative memory like this one, in which each unit is connected to every other unit and to itself. हर यूनिट किसी दूसरी यूनिट से कनेक्टेड है अपने ही लेयर के अंदर, F2 लेयर के अंदर ही ये कनेक्टेड है, और वो खुद से भी कनेक्टेड है. सो इट इज नोन एज फीडबैक topology and also with another name auto associative memory. Okay, so these are the six topologies which are in your syllabus, and these are very very important. These are very very important, the topologies, because these topologies you have to study by yourself from the book. आपको ये डिटेल में बुक में से पढ़िए इनको, so that we can move to our next topic, that is the learning laws. This is our next topic, the learning laws, which we will cover when you study this one, the topologies of artificial neural network, जो आज का हमारा टॉपिक था. आई होप आप लोगों को ये समझ में आया होगा. इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेरीज यू कैन आस्क. If you have any queries, you can ask. Otherwise, I have to go to another class.